Welcome to iIntelligence Sci. Dear friends, today's topic is how to change the orientation in Microsoft Word. Right. Changing the orientation in Microsoft Word means how to convert the layout into, normally this default mode is in portrait. How to change it into landscape. That is what we call it as orientation in Microsoft Word. So these are the documents, right? Some sample document available. See, normally the default mode in Word is, this is the portrait mode, that is vertical mode. Right? Suppose there is, see, this is single page. Suppose I am making it into some more extra text. Right. Right. So it covers 1.5 page text. So how to change the orientation Microsoft Word? Just go to Home, Insert, Layout. Go to Layout, go to Orientation. Now the default mode is Portrait. Now click Landscape. See, now landscape has been changed. That is, instead of the document being vertical, it will be horizontal. That is what we call it as landscape. See, now you can able to, okay. This is useful where you can have a table, longer table, right, which you cannot accommodate in portrait mode. See, I'm just changing it 1 minute. Portrait mode. I'm inserting a table first. Go to Insert, go to Table. See, this is a table. See, some document that you are typing it, right? You could not able to manage within this within this area, right? For example, in such cases, what you can do is you can go to Layout, you can go to Orientation, you can change the landscape. So now you have enough space to change the table. See here. So that is the purpose of using or changing the orientation in Microsoft Word. Okay. Portrait and landscape. Okay. So now this document is in landscape mode. Okay. You can also change it into portrait mode. Okay. So since the table is lengthy, it is better to have it in landscape mode. Okay. So thank you, friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching.